Discover 4A, Unit 11 and 12, speaking test. Hello.
Hello.
Can you introduce yourself for me, please?
My name is Linh. I'm 12 years old and I study in Discover 4A C7
Excellent stuff. What's your favourite hobby?
I like playing badminton and listening to K-pop music.
Excellent. So over the last few weeks, we've been talking about a big question. What's the big question? Do you remember what it was?
How do people stay healthy?
Almost. How do our bodies work? Yeah. So we've learned about some different things. The first one is basically about viruses. What can you tell me about viruses?
Viruses are microscopic organisms that exist on almost everything. They can infect humans, animals, plants, fungi, and even bacteria. They are about their size vary from 20 to 400 nanometer in their diameter. They come in different shapes: complex, enveloped, polyhedral. They can spread through touch, exchange of saliva, cough, sneezing, contaminated food, and some diseases that virus cause are rabies, COVID-19, different types of flu, the common cold, and some more. The biggest virus is the Mimi virus, which has a diameter of 400 nanometer, and the smallest is the Circu virus, which is 20 nanometer in diameter.
Okay. That was a lot of information to process then, just for a second. Well done. Okay, so let's bring it back down to basics for a second. Very good, well done. You did bring up some different viruses. You brought up the complexity and nature of different viruses. How do we get them? If I was to have influenza, how does it spread from person to person or from animal to animal?
If it's from person to person, then it's very simple. So maybe you touch each other, or you touch an object and that person will touch the same object which has a virus, or exchanges of saliva, like when you cough and sneezes, the virus in the air, and someone might breathe them in, or animals, mostly insects, will carry the virus from one person infected with it to another.
Okay, excellent stuff. So once we get infected with a particular virus, what does our body do to stop that from happening?
That is responsible of the immune system, which has three parts. First is the mucus. It is a normal, stringy and slimy fluid substance that our body creates. It acts like a trap for dust, smoke, bacteria, and virus what we breathe in. If we swallow it, then it will meet the stomach acid, which is a nifty way of digesting proteins. The stomach lining also secretes hydrochloric acid, which will destroy the virus. If they survive, they will meet the white blood cells, which is a part of the immune system. It will eat the virus, it will destroy the virus.
Okay, that's fine. Excellent stuff. So we know what our body does. What do we do to stop from getting a virus? So, like, obviously we know how it spreads. We know what our body does to combat it. What can we do to combat a virus?
First, I think it's exercising.
Good.
If we build a habit of exercising regularly, then we will be very healthy and strong when we get old. Also, experts have proved that eating healthy takes up to 80% of staying healthy and fit. But you should still eat 3 meals a day. You should reduce eating junk food. And some examples for healthy food are walnuts, kale, and spinach. Also, you should visit a doctor or take a health check every 6 months. So if you have any hidden diseases like cancer or HIV, you can you can cure it soon, and the chances of survival will be higher.
Okay. Right, one more, just a couple more questions. We have two different systems that predominantly work with different organs when we breathe. What are those two systems?
The first one is the circulatory system,
Good.
which carries blood with oxygen around the body and provides food and oxygen to the cells. The main part of the circulatory systems are the heart, capillary, artery, veins, and blood.
Good.
The other is the respiratory system, which gives oxygen to the heart and brings out carbon dioxide and other waste. The main parts of the respiratory system are the lungs, nose, diaphragm, and trachea.
Good. I'm not even going to ask the last question because you answered it. Well done. That concludes the video test. Well done.